Hello everyone from Nitro Mechatronics. Today we are replacing the Hyundai Excavator Camis. Thanks to the ECU tester produced by Nitro Mechatronic, we performed the test on the table. Schematic and all connection photos. I've selected the Camis available in itself. I'm selecting the engine brain here. I go to the connector and connect. Let's show it this way. First I gave electricity. I turn on the ignition and we can see on the computer screen that the injectors are spraying in 6 injectors, and at the same time and above the ECU test in 6 injectors. We can see that it's working. We can increase the revolutions by increasing the backhand. It's the same at the time. Also through the computer, we can raise our backhand and connect it to the brain. Press sensors, temperature sensors, all of the position sensors, we can control it from here. Voltage is dropping, throttling. We can also view the input and output of the voltages, whether there are any problems or not. This also applies to temperature sensors. Look, for example, the engine coolant temperature sensor. We can play with all its values, we can change them. Connection diagrams are available. And this way, connection diagrams which appear here. Connection diagrams. We can view it inside the ECU test, we can do it. Apart from that, link image. At the same time, electronic diagram and the inside of the motor brain. Electronic diagram. We can also view it inside the ECU test. This means short and clear. We can test engine brains to control units on the table thanks to ECU test. Thank you for watching us.